folks, Robert here. It is morning, it's about 11:30 in the morning. Yes, I don't really know. So I'm pretty much now finished at Hoover Dam. I'm going to head to Boulder City, I think, for some lunch. The Hoover Dam Cafe, I didn't really think much of it. Pretty much rubbish food and everything else like that, and pricing. So anyway, I'm pretty much now as I said, at the end of my little tour around Hoover Dam, and I'm actually now at the Arizona side of Hoover Dam, and I am where the exit used to be. There used to be an outlet to the rest of Arizona. Let me see. So where the sock is, if you went all the way behind this and all going this way, that would have taken you to Arizona. But that bridge, that road there, is actually, I think, the new road that was built to accommodate the Hoover Dam bridge. So that's not the original road, I don't think, but that's the new road that they built to hook up the Hoover Dam bridge. But I remember in the old days, I remember when the only way really to get from Las Vegas to Phoenix, or basically from this part, from southern Nevada to I guess southern Arizona, was via the Hoover Dam. And you'd have all the HGVs going across the dam, going all across this road over here. Yeah, you'd have all HGVs, and that was no good until they built the bridge. And yeah, but now you can't access the bridge anymore. So you can't access Arizona from this direction anymore. You have to go to the Hoover Dam bridge. But at this little, what was the outlet, there is, I guess, a little refreshment stop. They sell cold drinks, toilets, and get some souvenirs. So I'm going to pause it here, and then I will record the whatever shop it is once I'm there. Bye. At the Lookout convenience shop, whatever the hell it's called, and we're gonna have a quick looky around, just see what there is. It's the Hoover Dam Lookout Gifts and Refreshments. I'm not sure if that can be seen on the... Get some great views of the dam from up here. I'm gonna flip the camera. So over there, that's the bridge, and that goes all the way, links up to that road over there where I was before. So let's zoom out. Great view of the dam.
However, humans have realized off-planet destiny. They set the program so that it will be entertaining and instructive. Let us therefore take a peek at the workshop of these broadcast units are conceived and put together. With the unexpected guests, we'll just make ourselves given off as the cement set. This method of pouring and cooling concrete was used in the construction of subsequent high dams. Not only was the dam itself considered an engineering marvel, but so was the Hoover Dam's hydroelectric system. In front of the dam are 4 huge intake towers, each 75 feet in diameter, 395 feet tall, about the same height as the 28-story building. The water flows from the intake towers into large...
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
No, it's over there.
The water flows from the large site into segregated caverns located in the horseshoe-shaped powerhouse.
You know what I could do, man? If you come over here and let me
March 1, 1936, Hoover Dam was complete. During construction, over 3,500 men worked night and day.